Happy day 84 of day trading the market open. I said 84 yesterday. It's actually 84 today. Happy day 84 of day trading the market open and day 4 in Mexico. All right, so the only thing we really have popping is SCNI, which is a very nice move from 266 to 690. But now it's kind of flirting in this range here. And let's see if it holds this kind of wedge that it's made. We have 2 minutes until the open. TGL looks like it might do a similar move to yesterday, so we might try to play the same exact move we played on TGL's open yesterday. This is what TGL's trade was yesterday. Oh no, SCNI, we wanted that to wait till the open, you absolute dog. You dog, no. Okay. Well, let's see what happens at the open now for SCNI. Held the wedge nicely. Currently trying to break out of the wedge. Ping pong. Fake break maybe? That's one thing about pre-market is things kind of happen a little bit slower, which is good and bad. Depending on the psychology of your own mind and how you trade, it doesn't seem to work great for me. I get impatient, get chopped out a lot. Alright, but we have 40 seconds until the market open. Oh my gosh. I don't know what my hat is, so you guys are dealing with my bedhead today. With your baby mama at the crib and blowing back out. Okay, I have to remember that this trading window doesn't work, so I gotta be on it. Almost forgot. Alright, we need to focus on SCNI anyways, unless TGL really flashes down nicely. I'll just have to change this window that I have highlighted green down here to whatever stock I'm trading. Game time. No need for that volume to be so loud. TGL, red candle. Things seem to be moving slow for anybody else, or is it just me here? Red at 75 there for TGL. It's holding 76 for now, it looks like. Either that or my internet's lagging. I can't tell. Let's change this back to SCNI. See if it's... No, internet seems to be working good. Testing that bottom of that wedge there. Nice bounce. VWAP also. Back to TGL. CTNT up 32%. Way backside though. We'll wait to see if that does something else. What's the news here on SCNI? Receives Italian government clearance to potentially acquire Pinsa. I don't know what that is, but apparently that's good news, considering the stock's booming. Halt down 474, lower band 440, so that's not great. Oh, this is getting 5. Here's 5. Got it topped off at 5 here at one point. I'm not gonna play a bounce on 5. Are we gonna play a? Are we going to play an attempted bear trap though? Where is VWAP here? Right above that resistance line now. This is really the only thing to trade. Well, I guess MTCR is. I bet people are trading that just because they you know, they kind of got married to it. They think it's like, it's one of those things that, like, if you win on a stock, you kind of want to trade it again. I mean, I get it. So some traders might be over there. Just make sure we don't miss a nice little move down on TGL. Need to come down to like 165. VWAP's all the way up there at 193. What did it top out at today? 223. Okay. All right, all right. All right, so halt down moved down to 456. Lower band still at 440. And are we gonna get the bear trap that the people need? TGL. Gotta be careful not to miss that TGL. I like me some lower band bounces on some panic flushes. Which way is gonna be one day trade? Everyone knows the rules. Which one's gonna be the winner? Which one's gonna be the winner? Is SCNI gonna bear trap, or is TGL going to panic flush? I'm not taking a breakout on a I'm not taking a breakout on the backside of, especially a VWAP. Not today. Not today. Let's change our scans to see if anything else is showing up. Even. Whoa, this thing's moving. EVEN. No. EYEN. My bad, dog. EYEN. Oops. EYEN. Come on now. 2-cent spread. Oh, now would be the time to hit it. This thing's moving kind of goofy. Not a lot of volume. Maybe we should wait till this thing gets wait till more volume gives a little more safety. Kind of a similar situation here with MODV. But that one actually just did a nice bounce. MODV. I want to make sure this lower, yes, lower band has moved, or halt down has moved underneath the lower band for SCNI. So that's potentially good news for me. What's the news on MODV? No new news on MODV. What do we got? Is this a daily mover or what? Yes. Multi-day runner here. Topped out at 450. We already have that daily level there marked up. Let's not forget about the TGL play. I don't even see TGL's halt down actually. 140. Oh, we're golden. We're golden there. What did it end up doing after the lower band yesterday? Did it just roll over? Yeah, it did. Did end up just rolling over. Alright, MODV, I gotta watch this percentages over here. 34, 35. What was the spread on MODV? About a 3-cent spread. That's interesting. Oh, there you go. There you go. It's buzzing. It's buzzing. It's buzzing towards that breakout. Not much of a breakout, though. Well, I guess there's 10 cents. There's 10 cents there. This was a trade right there through 3. See if this comes down, breaks VWAP and gives us a bear trap. I don't want to take a VWAP bounce. Okay, topping tail. That's not great looking. It's not great looking. There's a bounce off that daily level and off of 3. Pressure at 301. $301, $302. I'm hesitant because I don't know why this is moving other than it being a multi-day runner. Hey, what's this? RYVL, 63%. Penny stock, huh? Okay. I don't know how I feel about that. MODV, what are you gonna do over here? Are you gonna break down? CNI, is this red candle gonna get gross? Halt down 417, so we're in a clear for a panic flush if it decides to. There's a break of 5, recapture of 5 before it got down to 393, so that really needs to break. 15 seconds until a new minute. RVYL is making some moves here. It's up 70% now over VWAP. Penny stock. Do we trade the penny stock? I mean, I guess we can, you're right. But this thing's gonna lower band over here on us. Four. Is it gonna lower band though? 30 seconds until a new minute. Gotta figure this out quickly. RVYL. Okay, gross little topping tail again. Same with the last break of VWAP. So, all right, let's go back over here to SCNI. What do the dailies on SCNI look like? Okay, interesting. Nice bounce there for RVYL. That was clean. Didn't end up reversing like the last VWAP breakout. Level 2 still buzzing. Clear resistance up here near 70. Are we going to take a backside trade, or are we going to take a front side trade here on something? Wow. VYL. Wow. Let's go. I think we need to be focusing on this, although I don't trade penny stocks well. I do not trade penny stocks well. 66 and 64. EMA and VWAP. What was pre-market high on this? 80? Almost 82? What's gonna be the day trade way? What do we think? Got VWAP at about 65 cents, but is it going to come back and test VWAP is the question. What's the news here anyways? Oh yeah, the Italian clearance. Nope, that's SCNI. No new news. Some multi-day runner? Not really. Oh, we're coming up to a 30-day moving average problem. Okay, let's see what we got here. Looking for VWAP. There's EMA. Not really looking for an EMA bounce, but it's because I'm too chicken right now for this penny stock. Minute to make a new high though is at 73 and it topped out at 76. A tiny little bull flag action going on. SCNI just in case the bottom wants to fall out on this red candle. There it goes. And I'm in. Let's see if we get a bounce here, boys. Gonna let it go for a little. What is halt down? 378. All right, cool. Gonna let this go for a little while. There we go. Give me a pop. This thing is hurting down here, huh? What'd that top out at? 442. I'm gonna have to cut this under 420. If it totally gets under VWAP, that'd be gross. New minute in about 30 seconds. Nope, real pop, no real love so far, so. $420 trying to hold the line. There's 29. Nope, rejected off of 29. 26, 27, 26. The problem is lower band just getting lower and lower. Small buyer there at 25. Oh, yikes, that's under 20. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. That is an unfortunate situation. I think that now makes me red in Mexico. Let's see. 4.19. Oh no, that's a $140 L. Yikes. Alright, that doesn't help the numbers. I love the quick move down to lower man. Problem being, because it didn't immediately pop, I should have cut it. But this is the same mistake I always make on my small accounts, is when I have my only, because this is my only trade. I have no money left in the account now. I'm in a red trade. I don't get out of the red trade because I want to see if it ends up turning green. It doesn't turn green, and then the red just keeps getting bigger and bigger because I don't have any other trades. I have no other trades to kind of balance it out with and kind of catch it up. So unfortunately, red day today in Mexico, and now makes me red in Mexico $40. But that's all for me, so I'm out. Spread love, be good to each other, drop a comment, drop a like, let me know how you guys did. I'm out of here. Peace.